Good question. Use Excel or use Power BI? Why we should choose Power BI? In this example, I have Excel file with two sheets, actual sales and expected, and three columns, country, actual sales, and date. And if you see data in Excel, you cannot say, did we meet expectation, or how many sales we did, or how many sales in some date we did. And if we export this data in Power BI, it's very easy to analyze this data. In my example, I have reports, header, some slicers by date, by if we have sales, all sales, or with only differences, with some KPIs, etc. And also metrics and line chart. First of all, I export data using transform data. Here I have two sheets, expected and actual sales. Also some additional tables. What else I have here? It's model. I also did it previously. It's to my sheet, actual sales and expect sales, and to additional, it's date. To easy analyze and filtering this two sheet by date. And additional table, it's like a combination of these two tables. So now we're interested in how it's look like, how to maybe analyze this data. For example, we have country, and we could expand this country and see sales by date. And also we have expected and actual sales, and we can compare these two numbers. For example, if our actual sales lower than expected, we show red arrow, and how many points, how many dollars we lose. And also line chart by date, and also KPI. For example, if we choose some positive, it's like a total of differences. And if we choose, for example, only one month, January, and a total we have minus difference, so we could change our icon. It also make some visual differences, and you can underline problem. So for now, that's it. In the next video, I try to explain how I did it in more details, but it's like a overview and short question, short answer. Why should you use Power BI? Thank you.